Well, hello. I'm Doe. I'll be your tour guide for the Doe. Welcome. You're going to need your 800 number to get in and your PIN number. These are, of course, set up in Vancko Web, and they're the same as in Vancko Web. So if you don't know what those are, then you should probably go to Vancko Web first and then come on back. The first thing you'll need to log into Vancko Hall is your user 800 number. That's your student identification number or your employee identification number, not your social security number, but your ID number and your PIN number from Vancko Web. If you don't know either of those, click on Yes, Help Me Log In, and you'll find out all the information you need to log into Vancko Hall. Let's take a look at what it looks like inside. Now, it's possible that when you first log in, you're going to get to a page that looks like this, that is basically your profile page. And if you do get to your profile page, it's probably because you don't have an email address in the system yet. So you're going to have to put your email address in here, and that's going to be your student account or your Delhi faculty or staff account. And you're going to have to also make sure you have a city or town, and anything in red and a star has to be filled in. So a country, town, and your email address have to be there. You can also put a picture in there if you want right then. And once you've done that, you can go to the bottom and click on Update Profile, and you'll be in Vancko Hall. I would also just note, if you click on Show Advanced, you see a lot more options over here and things that you probably want to check out, like forum tracking. Highly recommend you turn on forum tracking. And yet that you have Ajax set to yes, and you can always come back here and change this stuff, but you're going to probably want to check out your email digest type and your auto subscribe settings and so on and so forth. Now, once you are on the Vancko Hall entrance and you have entered, you're first of all going to see we have some tabs at the top that we're going to talk about in a bit. Over on the left you have listing of your courses. You have fall. You can open or close each of these terms and see which courses you're enrolled in, and click on the course right there to go into your courses. You can also see below that you have links. You can add your own links to your favorite sites so that they are displayed on your Vancko Hall entrance. Could be to Google or Facebook or whatever you happen to want to keep there. Very importantly, in the middle you will see system updates. In case there are any incidents with Vancko Hall, they will display there, and the time and when they last occurred, as well as any site news and announcements. And as you scroll down, you also see your courses listed down the center of your screen. However, they are not separated by term like the ones are over in the left column. Over on the right you have the Get Technical Help link, which you can use in any course or wherever you happen to be in Vancko Hall to get technical help. It'll open a pop-up window and you can chat, call, or email us using the form there, as well as your messages with a pop-up window that'll pop up your Vancko Hall messages, and you can see the online users. Up at the top of your screen here in the tabs, you have My Vancko Hall, which is a customizable home page. My Vancko Hall features an Edit This Page button in the upper right, which allows you to then add your own custom blocks to the page on the left column. You can move those around, and there are a number of different blocks to choose from, so you can have your own customized Vancko Hall dashboard. The other tabs at the top of your screen are pretty self-explanatory. The calendar with events of the calendar, information for students, information for faculty and staff, the library, a link to Delhi logins where you can get to your webmail and Vancko Web and so on, and a link to the bookstore. And remember that in your courses you can always get back to the Vancko Hall entrance by clicking on the breadcrumb in the upper left. That's about all the time I've got right now, so enjoy your courses. I'm Doe, I'm the Doe, I'm here for Doe, I'm a Doe.